Today, we're gonna take real maple syrup and we're gonna turn it into something creamy, rich, and decadent. Perfect for your French toast or pancakes or anything that you might wanna use maple syrup on. I'm Rockin' Robin and I'm gonna show you how to do it right after this. Making creamy maple syrup is super easy and quick to do. It only takes maybe 5 to 6 to maybe 7 minutes max. So you can make it right before you make up your pancakes or your French toast. So take a saucepan and we're gonna add some real 100% maple syrup to that. And then we're gonna add some organic heavy whipping cream and organic butter to the pan. And then we're gonna add a little bit of cinnamon to that, just a little bit. That's optional. If you don't care for cinnamon, you can leave it out, but I think it really adds a nice touch to it. And we're gonna place that on the stove and we're gonna put that over medium heat. And we're gonna watch it close, stirring it, frequently. We wanna just keep an eye on it and bring it to a boil so that it simmers. And it's going to thicken as it cooks. So the longer you cook it, the thicker it's gonna get. So you get to be the judge of how thick you want it. Now here it's been simmering for about 5 minutes. It's starting to get thicker. But you can see this just a little bit of a simmer. Let me show you what this looks like. It's thickening up, I'd say maybe another minute. So like I said, anywhere from 5 to 8 minutes I think is a good amount of time. Just depends how thick you want it and how much, I think also how much you're making. Like I doubled this batch from what I've normally been making. And I think it takes just a little bit longer the more you make. And then once it's done, I just leave it on the stove until I'm ready to serve it up. Keeps it nice and warm. All right, so here's our hot, creamy maple syrup. So that's it. Simple to make. It took me literally 8 minutes to make the syrup. And I tell you, I do it this way all the time now. As long as I have heavy whipping cream, I'm making my creamy maple syrup. It's just better. All right, so I'm gonna pour some of this on and I'm gonna dig in. Can't wait, love this stuff. That is so delicious, I can't even tell you. It's like eating, almost like eating a cinnamon roll. It's got that little cinnamon flavor, but the syrup is just nice and rich and creamy, and that's what the whipping cream does for you. So, and it's not as intense in the sweetness too, and it kind of makes you want to eat more of it, but that's the downside, okay? It's delicious, guys, so I hope you try it. If you do, leave me a comment, let me know what you think about it, please do. I can't wait, I'm really excited about this. It's like a new discovery for me. I just made it and I just said, oh my gosh, this is the best. So I hope you try it, leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Be sure and click the bell next to the subscribe button. That way you'll be notified every week when a new video comes out. And we'll see you next time. Take care.